let's make fried rice, Black Martha style. All right, you're going to need 2 cups of water, and I'm using 2 cups of quick cooking rice. This is the 5-minute rice. We're going to put that in a bowl that you can place in the microwave. You're going to combine these 2 ingredients and place it in the microwave for 5 minutes. All right, so I am going to be adding my favorite, of course, Montreal steak seasoning from McCormick. This is about a tablespoon that's going to go in. You want to kind of be cautious with it because it does contain salt. I'm also going to be adding another one of my favorites. I don't use it a lot, but in this rice I do. It's my Nature's Seasons seasoning blend, and I'm going to use about a teaspoon of it. Okay, so for both of those, I'm going to give this a stir. It's going to give off a great flavor. You do not want to go overboard because they do contain salt, and I'm also going to be adding teriyaki and soy. It's fried rice, right? It's not supposed to be that healthy. All right, so now I'm going to go a few shakes around the pan with teriyaki and soy. These are the only brands that I use. I have tried different ones, and these are the only ones that I personally like, but you do whatever is best for you. At any rate, just add this based on your taste buds. Of course, the more you add, the saltier it's going to be. I do like the combination of adding both.